Absolutely amazing. It's more like a party than an actual run, so I'm having a great time with it. This is my second time doing it, and I'm looking forward to coming back next year.
Oh, so you did it last year as well?
Yes, yeah.
Right. A lot more people this year, I think?
Oh
or?
my gosh, yeah.
From all over the
people.
place.
Oh, obviously, yeah,
Yeah.
totally all over the
Yeah.
place. I'm a West Virginia mountain trail runner, and so I was really happy to come up here and brought some of my friends with me too. So.
The course?
It's really nice to get your mind lost on, but to stay on course.
Stay on course.
And that's important. So it's a great run. The signs, everything about it was fantastic.
Well, congratulations again.
Thank you, you too.
Here we have the Stags finishing yet another 50K. Any comments on everything today?
Yes, to Jennifer Hatcher, the race director. This was a crazy race. You made us come and do this. Run It Fast crew. Marathon Maniacs.
And we heard we would be kicked out if we didn't come.
And we ran
So,
loops on
we were
a grass
forced.
course, and we went around and around and around and around and around and around.
I have no idea how many loops we ended up doing. I have no idea. No
It
idea.
was so much fun.
Did you guys see the barge on the river?
Yes.
Yeah.
Oh,
Yes.
I've never
No,
seen
I
a
must
barge
have
that
looked
long
it up.
before.
Awesome.
That's
Yeah.
pretty amazing.
And a boat.
I didn't see
Seriously,
any
it
of
was
those things.
fun.
No, it really was a good
Great.
event.
Oh, it was
Great
amazing.
job by
The
Jennifer.
thing I liked about it as well is the fact that it's actually very easy on the joints.
Yes.
You know, the combination of grass and trail.
Yes.
It took my niece some
Met
getting
some
used
great
to, though.
people here.
Yeah, yeah.
Awesome.
There was some good people. There were some really, people I was a little worried about. Those two unicorns running around the place.
Oh,
I mean,
Especially
I
when
saw
they were
this
in that-
lady named Diane carrying one. She was petting it.
Especially when they were in
All
the
right.
compromising positions. That was a
Diane
little-
Bolton, you're busted.
Yeah, I saw a unicorn climbing a tree.
Yeah,
Yes.
they were one was climbing the tree,
I
and
saw a
then
couple unicorns making baby unicorns.
yeah, they were inappropriately positioned a few times. So
That only lasted
Absolutely.
one lap though. Then it was
Only
they were back to
on
normal.
only in Ohio.
only in Ohio.
Yes.
Well, safe home, guys.
Fantastic. Jennifer did a great job out here putting this thing together. I can't believe everything for the amount of money that we had to pay for this race. If you're thinking about ever wanting to do a half, full, or a 50K, you must come do this one.
You're the hero, man.
And I'm beat the hell up. I think yesterday's 50K was a little hilly.
So just for folks watching this is his second 50K in 2 days.
My first time ever.
First time
So
ever.
anything I finish is a PR.
Yeah. Well, good luck, man. I'll be here when you finish this one.
It's a great course, a lot of fun, friendly people.
Yeah.
Jennifer Hatcher did an amazing job with the food, and yeah, the post-race party is great.
And
And the sun came out
the sun
finally.
came out
You
finally at the
see
end.
sunshine.
The only complaint I have is the sign right at the beginning, which just says one more lap,
Oh, they lied.
last lap, and it's
They
like, and you
lied.
see that every lap. I'm just kidding.
Yeah.
It was kind of funny.
Yeah,
The unicorns were
they traveled.
they travelled and they
They moved
misbehaved a few
far.
times too. I saw.
I think we lost one.
I think Diane Bolton stole it. I saw her putting it
Diane
in the
Bolton?
yeah.
Okay.
She took one of them, and I think she put it in the trunk of her car.
Oh, that's why.
Yeah,
Okay,
yeah.
yeah, we're missing a unicorn.
Unicorn, yeah. So we have a red alert out
They
for
did
it.
cross the finish line. I saw the unicorns cross the finish
Finish
line,
line.
and they went back out.
Yeah.
So.